केवल हथियारों का नहीं बल्कि सूचना का भी है। भारत सरकार के लिए पाकिस्तान द्वारा फैलाई जा रही झूठी कहानी को स्पष्ट करना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण था और उन्होंने प्रतिनिधिमंडल के माध्यम से अपना उद्देश्य प्राप्त कर लिया है, जिसने हमारे सभी संदेहों को दूर कर दिया है। जकार्ता से आए पाकिस्तानी प्रवासी समुदाय के सदस्य राजस्थान के पुनीत बख्शी कहते हैं,
My friend also saying that we have been hearing news from all the channels, not from just from India, right? So there were certain doubts which have been clarified very well by the delegation, and we are really proud the way the government has, planned all these delegation not only to Indonesia but to other countries as well. So this will be today the war is just not on the weapons; it's on the information as well. So it's very important for Indian government to clarify the fake narrative which Pakistan has been creating. So that was the whole purpose, and I truly believe it has been solved. I mean, it has been done. The purpose has been solved now.